Hey kids, it's me, Teacher A. In this video, we're going to answer all your activities on your module 18. Okay, are you ready? Okay, let's start. Okay, so here, we're going to determine the truth value of each of the following propositions. Okay? Pero bago natin sagutan ito, okay, I want you to recall this. Okay? The truth tables of our basic logical connectives. Okay? Let's start with negation. Madali naman to, di ba? Here, if you have a true statement, ang negation niya false. Yeah? If you have a false statement, ang negation niyan ay true. Okay? Next, logical connective. Okay, conjunction. Ito yung and. P and Q. Madali lang tandaan, yung inverted V, yung nakabaliktad na V. Okay? Because and, it starts with A. Okay? So, parang A naman itong ating nakabaliktad na V. Okay? So, anong special sa truth table na ito? Okay? Tingnan nyo to. Okay? Kapag and, yung connector ninyo, okay, true lang siya kapag parehong true yung pinag-combine ninyo. Okay? Otherwise, or kapag may isang false, kita nyo yan, may isang false, okay, false na yung combination. Kapag ang ginagamit yung word ay and. Okay? Ngayon, yung third connector natin, disjunction, ito yung or. Okay? What's so special about or? Okay, napaka-powerful ng or kasi tingnan nyo to. Dito lang siya magpo-false. Okay? Kapag parehong false yung pinag-combine ninyong statements. Okay? Pero kapag may isang true, tingnan nyo to, ito parehong true, ito may isang true, ito may isang true. Kapag pinag-combine nyo sila using the word or, true yun. Okay? Using the word or. Ang symbol, V. Okay? Yan yung symbol natin for or. Okay? Next. Okay, next. Conditional. Ito yung ating if P, then Q. Ano naman ang kailangan tandaan kapag conditional o kapag nakita niyo yung arrow na ganito? Okay? Ito naman yun. Okay? Nag-false lang yan kapag true yung hypothesis, false yung conclusion. Okay? So parang if true, then false. Kapag ganun lang, dun lang siya nagpo-false. Okay? Otherwise, true na. Okay? And then finally, we have this biconditional. Ito yung double-headed arrow natin. Okay? Ano? Dalawa yung arrowheads. Okay? Binabasa to as P, if and only if Q. So what's so special naman about biconditional? Ito. Okay? Nagiging true ang biconditional kapag yung pinag-combine ninyong statements ay pareho ng truth value. Kagaya ito, pareho silang true. Okay? Ito, pareho silang false. Kapag pareho ang truth value, true ang biconditional statement. Alright? Okay. Let's go back to activity 1. You may do it mentally. What do I mean by that? Kunyari, itong number 1. Okay? Here, P and Q are both true. Okay? So, etong Q, true. Okay? Etong P, true. Pero ano yung negation? Anong negation ng true statement? False. So, you have false and true. What can you say about that? It is false. Kasi may false na isa. Tapos and yung connector. If you recall, kapag and ang connector, magiging true lang yan kapag parehong true. Okay? Pero dito nga nagkaroon tayo ng false. Okay? If you can't do it mentally, pwedeng ganito. Okay? You may want to create a table, a truth table. Okay? So, ang sabi dito, P and Q are both true. So, ilagay natin. Yeah? Okay. Now, we need the negation of P. Okay? Or not P. So, let's do that. Ayan. I-negate natin yung P. So, kung ang P ay true, anong negation yan? It's false. Okay? And then finally, we get the truth value of not P and Q. So, i-combine natin ito. Ito yung truth value ng not P, ito naman yung Q. Okay? So we have false for not P, tapos true naman for Q. And we use the connector and. So that's why it's false. Okay? Okay, so number 1 is false. Alright? Okay, so pwede nyong gayahin yung ganon or you can do it mentally. So kayo nang bahala kung paano nyo isi-solve or ipapakita yung solution for this activity. Okay? Basta you will be getting the following answers. Okay? O, try pa tayo ng isa. Okay, let's have number 6. Okay? O, focus kayo sa number 6. Gagawa tayo ng table. We don't do it mentally. So here, we assume P and Q are both false. Okay, ilagay natin. Okay, so P is false, Q is false. What else? Okay, we need this expression. Okay, P if and only if Q. Okay, so ilagay natin. Eto. Okay, what is this? A biconditional. And what is so special about biconditional? Ito ay true kapag pareho ang truth value ng pinagko-combine natin. And yes, yeah, pareho silang false. So yung combination, okay, is true. Okay? And then finally, i-create na natin itong buong to. Okay? So ito siya. Okay? So titingnan ninyong truth value, etong P if and only if Q. So you have a true here. Okay? Tapos yung Q, false. Okay? So ito ay true. Iko-combine natin sa isang false statement by using the connector, ano tong V? Or. Okay, this is a disjunction. And what is so powerful about disjunction? True ang disjunction or using the connector or kapag may isang true. And yes, ito oh. Okay, true ang ating biconditional statement dito. Okay, so kahit false si Q, etong combination nila, okay, nitong mga statements na ito using the connector or ay true. Kaya yung number 6, true ang sagot. Okay, let's move on to activity number 2. So for this activity, we're going to explain whether the given statement is true or false. So to be able to explain the given statement better, we're going to write this statement into symbols. Okay, ganun sa logic. Okay, we try to write everything in terms of symbols so we can see the pattern. Okay, let's do that. Okay, so here we let P, okay, statement P be I study hard. Okay, yung Q be the statement I will get an academic award. Okay, after doing that, okay, basahin niyo yung example number 1 dito. If I study hard, then I will get an academic award. Hanggang dito muna. Okay? How are you going to write that into logic symbol? Okay? Yun yung may arrowhead. Okay? Isang arrowhead. So it's if P, ito yung P natin, then Q. It looks like this. Okay? Ito yung symbol niya. Alright? Okay. Yung but, dito, yung but sa logic, kapareho lang yan ng word na and. Okay? Anong symbol natin, logic symbol natin for the word and? Ito yung ating inverted V, yung nakabaligtad na V. Okay? And I will study hard. So ito yun, oh. Okay? So meron tayo ditong and P. Kita nyo? Ito yun. Okay, and then finally we have therefore, I will get an academic award. Okay, so meron pa tayong Q sa dulo. Ito siya. Now, if you inspect closely, okay, may kamukha itong form na ito. Okay, at may tawag dito. This is what you call modus ponens or direct reasoning. Okay, and this law, okay, illustrates a tautology. And what is a tautology? A tautology is a statement that is always true. Okay? That's why this example here, example number 1, is true. If you want more explanation, okay, to this example, you may want to create its truth table. Ito, truth table para dito sa ating statement na ito. Okay, para dito sa symbol na ito. Ganito. And as you can see, ang truth value ng ating propositional form na ito ay lahat true. Okay? For any combinations of truth values of statements P and Q. Okay? Kaya siya tautology. Okay? So, example number 1 is a true statement. Right? Okay. Let's have number 2. Ganun rin. Isusulat natin into symbol. Actually, propositional form. Okay. We let P be the statement, Blessy loves swimming. Q be the statement, Blessy loves running. Okay. Let's read example number 2. Blessy loves swimming and Blessy loves running. How do you write that into symbol? You have P and Q. Okay? Like this. Alright? Okay. And then, anong sabi ko sa inyo? Ano yung but? Ang but, ito ay and. Okay? So, meron na naman tayong inverted V dito. Ito. Okay? And how do you write this into symbol? She or Blessy loves neither swimming nor running. Okay? Ano yun? Ganito siya. Okay? Into symbol. Actually, ito pwedeng by inspection. Because if you take a look at this propositional form, ito yung ating original statement, itong P and Q. Tapos, kinonect natin siya dun sa negation niya. Ayun o, negation of P and Q. How do we connect them? Using the word and. Okay? So parang kung kinonsider mo tong true, okay, ano yung negation niya? False. So, anong masasabi mo sa combination ng isang true statement at isang false statement using the word and? It is false. Kasi di ba kapag and, magiging true lang yan kapag parehong true yung pinag-combine ninyo. Okay? So this is by inspection. Okay? Kung ayaw nyo naman, pwede kayong gumawa ng truth table. Tingnan nyo yung truth table niyan. Okay? Eto. Okay? So make sure, okay, komportable kayong gumawa ng truth table. Okay? Nag-discuss na naman ako niyan. Okay? Sa mga previous videos ko. Okay? How to create truth tables. Alright? Okay. So if you check, tingnan nyo na naman to, lahat false. Okay? So itong ating propositional form na ito ay false sa kahit anong combination pa ng truth values ng ating P and Q. Okay? So actually, this statement is always false or that statement is a fallacy. Meron pang isang way para ma-explain ninyo na false talaga itong example number 2. You may want to use the two-column proof. Okay? Meron din akong discussion ito. Okay? Under logical equivalence without truth tables. Okay? So you may want to do that. Okay? This is the two-column proof. We start with a given. Okay? Ito, we start with this propositional form. Okay? Ito yon. Okay? And then, if you continue, mag-end up tayo dito. So, anong ibig sabihin nitong ating null set symbol dito? Okay? Ibig sabihin nun, itong ating original propositional form natin is logically equivalent to a contradiction or to a fallacy. And what is a fallacy again? A fallacy is a statement which is always false. Okay? So this is another way to explain example number 3. Let's move on. Okay, so this is activity number 3. Okay, so we are going to determine whether the given statement is always true or a mistaken belief or a false statement. Okay? Okay, let's do this. Okay, tingnan nyo tong mga to. Okay? So, tingnan nyo ang numbers 1, 2, 6, and 9. If you check, iisa lang ang form nila. Tingnan nyo. Today is Monday. Today is not Monday. Nico is smart. Nico is not smart. Ito naman, I love you. I don't love you. Ito naman, I can comprehend. I cannot comprehend. You see? Okay? Tapos tingnan nyo pa. Lahat sila kinonect using this connector. Or. Yeah? Okay. So, ang form nila, if this is our statement P, kinonect siya doon sa not P, doon sa negation niya. Yeah? Okay. So, if you assume that today is Monday is true, kunyari totoo yan, what can you say about the truth value of today is not Monday? False na. Okay? So, anong masasabi mo sa combination kapag gumamit ng word na or? Okay? Is it true or false? Kunyari, itong today's Monday is true, tapos ito false. What can you say about the combination using the word or? It is true. Okay? Kasi ganun ang power ng ating disjunction. Okay? Basta may isang true, true na yung combination. Okay? Kung hindi kaya yung ganon, you may want to create a truth table. Pwedeng ganito. Okay? Yung today is Monday, kunyari, inassume nyo na true. Okay? Yung today is not Monday, of course, false yon. Okay? What can you say about their combination using the word or? It is true. Kasi may isang true. Okay? The other case is, when today is Monday is false. So, ito naman yon. If today is Monday is false, yung today is not Monday, true yon. Okay? Kapag pinag-combine nyo naman yung dalawang yon using the word or, true pa rin yon. Okay? Kasi may isang true. Alright? So, etong apat na number dito ay lahat true. Always true. Okay? Actually, may law na tawag dito. Inverse law. Okay? Yung inverse law is logically equivalent to a tautology. And what is a tautology? It is a statement that is always true. All right? Okay. Let's do more. Okay, let's have number 3. If you buy a book, then you will read it daily. Okay. This is a mistaken belief. Because when you buy a book, napakadaming pwede nyong gawin doon. Okay? Yes, you can read the book daily. Okay? Pwede rin, you can read it every Friday kapag tapos na yung school ninyo. Okay? Or pwedeng hindi nyo siya babasahin because ibibigay nyo siya sa ibang tao. Okay? So, ganon. It's a mistaken belief. Okay? And it's really hard to prove that this is always true. Alright? Okay. Number 4. Okay. So, again, isusulat natin ito into symbols para makita natin yung pattern. Okay? Ito siya. Okay? Your P, statement P is, I plant cactus. Itong Q, I will get my hands dirty. Okay? Actually, kamukha nito ang contrapositive. Okay? Pero dahil nga nakasulat ito in its propositional form, na ganito, okay? Check again your table at may tawag dito. Ito ay modus tollens or an indirect reasoning. Okay? At ang propositional form na ito ay isang tautology. Again, ang isang tautology is a statement that is always true. Okay? Kung hindi makapaniwala, you may want to create a truth table. Ito siya. Okay? So, nakita nyo? Okay? True naman siya sa kahit anong combination ng truth values ng ating P and Q. Alright? So, this one is always true. Yung ating number 4. Alright? Okay. Now, we move on to number 5. Again, ganito siya kapag sinulat natin into symbol. Actually, may kamukha ito sa activity number 2. Okay? Yung example number 1, yung may academic award. Okay? So, ang tawag ulit sa propositional form natin dito ay modus ponens or direct reasoning. And this one is a tautology again. Okay? Which is always true. Again, you may want to recall its truth table at lahat true na naman ang makikita nyo dito. Alright? So that's why statement number 5 is always true. Okay? And then, lastly, we have number 7. Okay? Sige nga, anong sagot nyo dyan? Okay? Based on real life situation. Okay? Yung lahat ba ng gusto nyo, gusto din kayo? It does not work that way. Yeah? Hindi yung lahat ng gusto natin, gusto rin tayo. Yeah? So this one is obviously a mistaken belief. Finally, down to our last activity. Okay, so here we have activity 4.1 and activity 4.2. Okay, so itong 4.1 gawin na natin ng mabilis. Okay, kasi madami na tayong ginawang parang ganito. Okay, so here we're going to determine whether the statement is a tautology, okay, or always true. Okay, tapos a fallacy, it's always false. Okay, sige nga, number 1. If today is a Saturday, then tomorrow is a Monday. It's obviously a fallacy. Because if today is Saturday, tomorrow will be Sunday. Let's have number 2. Okay? Assuming that I have a college degree, then I am a teacher. Alam nating lahat na this one is a fallacy. Okay? Kasi napakadaming courses sa college, hindi lang pagiging teacher. Alright? Okay. What about number 3? Yung number 3, kung gusto nyong i-prove, kapareho ito nung ating today is Monday or today is not Monday. Remember that? Okay, you may want to create the truth table. Okay, and this one is a tautology. Etong number 4, balikan ninyo yung activity number 2. Okay, kapareho nito yung example number 1 natin. Okay, and this one is a tautology. And then finally, itong number 5, balik ulit kayo dun sa activity number 2. Kapareho nito yung example number 2. Yung Blessy loves swimming and running. Okay? And we prove there na yon ay isang okay? So, next natin gagawin, magko-construct naman tayo ng truth table para sa activity 4.2. Ito yung gagawa natin ng truth table. Tapos sasabihin daw natin kung tautology or fallacy. Okay? Sige nga, ano ulit ang itsura ng truth table kapag tautology? Ganito. Okay? Lahat true sa dulo. Okay? Because a tautology is a proposition or statement that is always true. Kapag fallacy, lahat naman F ang nasa dulo. Because a fallacy or a contradiction is a statement that is always false. Alright? Okay, so gawa na tayo ng truth table. Bibilisan ko na kasi dapat marunong na kayong gumawa ng truth table. Okay, let's start with number 1. Ito yung truth table niya. Okay? Of course, you write all the possible combinations of the truth values of P and Q. Tapos, i-construct nyo na to dahan-dahan. Okay? So, mag-start tayo sa if P, then Q. Kaya meron dito. Okay? And then, ito naman yung sunod natin gagawin. Okay? Kasi tapos na tayo dito sa if P, then Q. Okay? Kailangan natin dito ng not Q. Okay? So, punta kayo sa Q. Kapag true, ang not Q, false. Kapag false naman, gagawin yung true. Okay? Ganun din sa not P or negation ng P. Okay, nasan yung P? Ito, true. Kapag true ang P, ang not P, false. Okay, and so on. So, please study how to create a truth table. Okay, and then, gagawin natin yung if not Q, then not P. Okay, ito. Okay? And then finally, pwede nyo nang pag-combine ito at saka ito. Using what? Anong tawag dito sa double-headed arrow na ito? Ito yung ating bi-conditional. Anong special sa bi-conditional? Kapag pareho ng truth value, ibig sabihin parehong true or parehong false, okay, yung combination ay true. So, tingnan nyo to at saka ito. Okay? Ayun o, pareho silang true dito. So, true. pareho silang false dito, so true yon. Okay, yung combination, and so on. So as you can see, lahat true ang makikita nyo dito. So that's why this statement is a tautology. Alright? Okay. So, eto naman yung number 2. Hindi ko na-explain. Papakita ko na lang sa inyo yung truth table. Okay? So, dahan-dahan yung i-create ang truth table ninyo. Okay? Tapos, tingnan nyo ulit itong dalawang to. Ko-combine nyo ulit using the word if and only if. Hindi palaging if and only if ang makikita nyo. Nagkataon lang na yun yung mga binigay sa atin. Alright? Okay. So, anong makikita nyo? Lahat na naman true. So, this one is a tautology. Okay? Next. Ito ang truth table niya. Okay? Tingnan nyo ulit. Tapos, ko-combine nyo yan using the if and only if. Okay? So, biconditional ulit. Okay? Inuulit ko, hindi palaging biconditional. Okay? Nagkataon lamang. Alright. So, lahat na naman true. So, this one is a tautology. Okay? Number 4. Ito ang kanyang truth table. Okay? Tingnan nyo ulit ito. Okay? Yun. Lahat namang false ang makikita natin. Kapag ganito, this one is a fallacy. Okay, lastly, we have number 5. Okay, dito hindi na tayo gumamit ng if and only if. Wala na yung two-headed arrow. Okay? So, ito yung kanyang truth table. Okay? Tingnan ninyo ang truth values ni Q at truth values ni not P or Q. Tapos, ipagko-combine natin to. Okay? Using the word and. Ito i-recall ulit ninyo, ano ang meron sa word or sa connector na and? True lang yan kapag parehong true. But if you check, walang parehong true. Ito parehong false. So definitely false yan. Walang parehong true. So kaya lahat ito false. So kapag lahat ito ay false, the given statement is a fallacy. Alright? Okay, so I think that's it. I hope you learned something from this video. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video to your friends, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Okay? See you on my next video.